Hello guys, welcome to our channel Codeless Magics. So our channel basically aims to understand how AI agents work and we learn here how to create an AI agent and create workflows, learn AI things, etc. So I can simply say that learning and executing the AI, we don't require any prerequisites coding knowledge in order to understand these tools. That is our main concept here. So coming to our topic, our topic is n8n. So you are seeing the buzzword n8n everywhere. So what n8n basically means? N8n is a robust open source tool designed for workflow automation. That means n8n is available for free for everyone to use in a local server. But when you want to access through online server, it is paid. You have to pay subscription amount in order to use the online server. So n8n is used to create workflows. For example, I can say that um, you have a website. So when a user come and fill or sign up into the website, when a user clicks submit button, it goes into your database. So here you need to send an email to the user welcoming the user, and you need to you need to send the data into the database of a user, as well as you need to notify an email to the team that a new user arrived. There are a few things involved while maintaining the website or these things, like in order to do all these tasks manually, it takes lots of time. But if you take this n8n, it fetches the data from the website and it stores into the database, as well as send an welcoming email, as well as it also notifies the team that a new customer is arrived. So this takes all the responsibilities and creates a flow, like when a user enters submit button, these all nodes act at once and do their own tasks, executing the whole workflow. This is the main concept of n8n. And coming to its features, there are various features like visual flow work editor. Basically, you know that a editor means working with the code. So the main concept of the editor is to work with the code. But here, this workflow editor gives you flexibility to drag and drop the elements, services, etc. Generally, we don't require any coding knowledge in order to work with this workflow editor. We'll see in the upcoming videos how to work with it. So, and the second most important is like it already integrated with more than 200 apps and services across the internet. Like for example, taking as a Google Sheet as an example, and taking Google Drive, Microsoft Azure, and for sales, it has connected with various CRM platforms, and for sales automations and communications for like Discord, Instagram, WhatsApp, and for Microsoft Teams, Slack, and for storage services, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and for e-commerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and for payment integrations, Stripe. These are the mm, some of the apps and services which they have already integrated with. This gives you flexibility to work without dragging or connecting externally to the apps. It provides the flexibility. And for coming to custom nodes, if you do not see any app that you need, you can connect through an external API too. And as n8n also contains self hosting option, as it does not require any cloud in order to host the data. As I said, it is an open source tool. It gives you flexibility to run on your server, local server, and does not require any cloud option. And for online services, the n8n itself is self-hosted. With taking a single pro or subscription without needing of any resources, you can host on the same platform too. And coming to these are the main two things that we required in order to create workflows. So one is the nodes. Nodes are basically the individual task that performs specific actions, like sending an email and making API calls, processing information, etc. Everything is done by the nodes, like taking the data from the Google Sheet and inserting the data into the Google Sheet, taking the data from the external APIs. Everything is done by nodes. So workflows basically means the whole combination of multiple nodes and connectivity of those nodes are orchestrating the flow of data. The whole nodes are combined to perform different tasks, or you can say meaningful tasks, uh, that makes a workflow. So here are some of the simple use cases through n8n. It automates the data transfer seamlessly, and it also integrates the diverse APIs effortlessly. As we discussed earlier, we can connect to different APIs externally, and we can manage customer related relationship effectively. Like we can create the marketing campaigns, automated marketing campaigns on a particular date without any manual involvement, and we can streamline the business process. As I said, for example, resume screening, and shortlisting, everything can be done by creating a workflow, which can be done through this n8n. And this is the introduction of n8n. And in the upcoming videos, we will see how to set up an n8n. So basically, the steps involved is like install